Hello and welcome to my video. Today we are going to solve the following complex number problem. So it says two complex numbers alpha and beta satisfy these two relations, and we need to find the value of alpha over beta. Here the alpha bar refers to the conjugate of alpha, which means that if alpha equals a plus b I, where a and b are real numbers, then alpha bar is a minus bi. The sign of the imaginary part becomes opposite. Alright, so let's start from here, and we will use the following property of the complex conjugate, which is the bar of alpha plus beta is alpha bar plus beta bar. So with this property, we have alpha plus beta times alpha bar plus beta bar equals 9. And if we expand this, alpha bar plus alpha beta bar plus beta alpha bar plus beta beta bar equals 9. So this equation contains alpha bar and beta bar, and we want to eliminate them because we want to obtain alpha over beta. Therefore, here we have to use the first given condition, this condition. From this condition, we have alpha bar equals 3 over alpha and beta bar equals 3 over beta. So if we use that, we have alpha times 3 over alpha plus alpha times 3 over beta plus beta times 3 over alpha plus beta times 3 over beta equals 9. So this cancels out and this cancels out. So this term becomes 3 and this term also becomes 3, and we move all the constant term to the right hand side, and we have 3 alpha over beta plus 3 beta over alpha equals 3. Therefore, alpha over beta plus beta over alpha equals 1. So this is essentially the equation of alpha over beta, because beta over alpha is simply the reciprocal of alpha over beta. Still, to simplify a bit, let us make a substitution. Alpha over beta equals x. Then we have x plus 1 over x equals 1. And if we multiply x at both sides and rearrange, we have a quadratic equation, x squared minus x plus 1 equals 0. And if we use the quadratic formula, we have x equals 1 plus minus square root of 3i over 2. And these are the values for alpha over beta. And let's suppose that alpha over beta is the positive sign 1 plus square root of 3i over 2. Then beta over alpha is the reciprocal of this one, and in order to realize the denominator, we multiply 1 minus square root of 3i at both numerator and denominator, and the denominator then becomes 4, it is easy to find out, and the numerator becomes 2 times 1 minus square root of 3i, so it becomes 1 minus square root of 3i over 2. So with this and this, we can find out that alpha over beta plus beta over alpha equals 1. And if we take a minus sign, then beta over alpha becomes the reciprocal of that number, and this becomes 1 plus square root of 3i over 2. So in this case, we also have alpha over beta plus beta over alpha equals 1. Right. So yeah, that was all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video.